Hello everyone, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be making a leave-in conditioner without using any heat. Stay tuned to see this quick and relatively easy recipe. I'll start with the water phase by weighing out the distilled water, which per usual makes up the majority of this recipe. All the ingredients and measurements which will be used today are included in the description box below. To the water, I'll add vegetable glycerin, which acts as a humectant to draw moisture into the hair. Then, I'll add some liquid panthenol or vitamin B5. Panthenol will help to retain moisture in the hair and protect the hair. In its liquid form, it is heat sensitive. However, as I will not be using any heat today, I am adding it right into the water phase. Next, I'm adding some hydrolyzed oat protein, which will add softness, manageability, and texture to the hair. It is also heat sensitive, but like the panthenol, I'm adding it straight into the water phase. Then I'll add the preservative, Liquid Germall Plus, into the mix. Because of how little I need, I pre-weighed it into this bowl using a different scale that measures to 2 decimal places. Now I'll add it in with the rest of the ingredients into the water phase. Then I'll give it a quick stir and combine. So I just want to point out again that the liquid panthenol, hydrolyzed oat protein, and also the preservative are all heat sensitive ingredients. If I were making this with an emulsifier that needs to be melted/heated, such as BTMS 50, I would add these heat sensitive ingredients into the cool down phase, not the water phase. And so the emulsifier I'm using today, which I'll get to in just a minute, will help to cut down the making time by decreasing the time spent waiting on ingredients to melt and also removing the need for a cool down phase. Now let's talk about the emulsifier. This is Jeequat NDCS, and NDCS stands for Naturally Derived Conditioning System. It's made from cetyl alcohol, benzene chloride, cocamidopropyl betaine, and sorbitan laureate, which are all derived from natural sources. This is what it looks like, and it is a cold process emulsifier, meaning it does not need to be heated to be effective. This makes the entire making process so much quicker. I weighed out the amount I need into that separate bowl. Now I'll add it into the water phase bit by bit and combine properly using my immersion blender. That is, I like to mix until it's fully dissolved into the water phase and I see no more traces of the emulsifier in the measuring cup. Now a bit more about this emulsifier in relation to hair care applications. Jeequat NDCS provides excellent conditioning, wet combing, anti-static, detangling, hair softening, and emulsification properties. Because of those great properties and the fact that it makes the entire process quicker and easier, this is a staple emulsifier for me. Once I feel the emulsifier is fully incorporated into the water phase, I'll add the oil phase. My oil phase today includes a henna infused hair oil that my cousin gifted to me and a mix of Ylang and Peppermint essential oils for added benefits to the hair and scalp and a lovely smell. The essential oils, of course, are recommended but optional. I blend this in until no trace of the oil phase is left and everything is properly emulsified. Once everything is incorporated, I like to mix the products around using just a spatula to release any air bubbles that may have gotten in while mixing. This can also be left out to sit for up to 24 hours to allow everything to settle. And that is it for this quick and easy no heat leave-in conditioner. Look at this lovely finished product. This is just a few minutes after making, but after about 24 hours, the mixture will be a little less free-flowing and it will congeal a bit more to form a stable light cream. Now I'm using an 8-ounce jar for packaging. A bottle with a pump top or screw top could also be used. I've enjoyed using this specific conditioner. In fact, I've made quite a few products using the Jeequat NDCS, and I love that it makes my hair feel moisturized and also that I'm able to detangle my thick type 4 hair with products made with this emulsifier. Plus, as I've said several times already, I love how it cuts down the time needed to make a product. And that is it for today's video. Remember to check the description box for additional information on the ingredients and measurements used. As always, thank you so much for watching, sharing, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I appreciate you all. See you next time.